Hello everyone, let's make a magic wand today. Press Shift A and take a cylinder. Okay, scale it in X and Y axis. X and Y axis 0.12. Okay, make it 1.21 should be enough. Okay. 0.1. Okay, to 1.2. Okay, go to edit mode by pressing tab. Take a multiple loop cut by pressing Ctrl R. Okay, now go to face selection mode and alt and left click here, shift alt left click here. Okay, go to shading tab. Okay, go to shading tab and okay, object mode. Okay, go to render mode. Okay, base color black. Okay, edit material plus. Okay, okay, go to edit mode, slide to assigned. Okay, okay, all done. Now go to object mode and see if you need anything to do. Nothing. Okay, now emission strength, emission. Okay, increase the brightness 0.25. okay, and emission strength 4. Okay, it's brighter now. Okay, go to layout mode. Okay, if you go render mode. Okay, magic hat. This is the magic hat from the first chapter. If you didn't see it, you can go to the video section, you'll find it. Okay, okay, it's done. Okay, you can scale it from here to 0.5 and you can increase from 1.3. Oh no. Okay, scale it, X and Y scale 0.5. Now it's okay. Thank you everyone. I will come out next video. Stay with me. Okay, now okay, go to cube section. G to grab. Now it's done. Press F12. Okay, it's done. Let's save it and share with your friend. Thank you everyone.